Egyptians begin to settle in the Nile Valley 1700 BC in the northeast of Africa. People in ancient Egypt. There were three classes, upper, middle, and lower. The pharaoh, viziers, priests, scribes, and doctors were in the upper class. Merchants and craftsmen were in the middle class. Peasant workers made of the lower class. They have pets, dogs, cats, and monkeys. The most important food was bread. Egyptians' favorite drink was beer.
Medicine and magic. Egyptian doctors were very much respected. Doctors worked in community, in temples, and in Pharaoh's palace. Doctors knew many things about the body, the nervous system, the hair. They mended bones, but they believed strange things. The brain was useless. Humans thought with the hair. They prepared drugs to cure diseases. Numeral system. Egyptians wrote in hieroglyphics. The decipherment of hieroglyphics was made possible by the discovery of Rosetta Stone. The Rosetta Stone was found in 1799 by Napoleonic troops in Egypt. The stone had three languages: hieroglyphic, Demotic, and Greek. The writing system had more than 700 pictures. Hermes papyrus was found in 1858 in a ruin in Thebes. They represented numbers using symbols. Egyptian games. Egyptians played different games: Karat, Nine-Man Morris, and Senet. Nine-Man Morris is similar to 3 online. Senet is similar to chess.
Abu Simbel. This is Abu Simbel. It is in Nubia, Egypt. It was built in 2084 by Ramses II's statues. It was made of rock. It was a temple. It is 20 meters high. It has got 4 big statues.
Mummification. The Egyptians mummified important people. First, they washed the body in the Nile River. Then removed the brain with the food. Later put the organs in the canopy jars, but not the heart. Later they covered the body with it. Then they put salt in the body for 14 days. Later an artist did the wig and makeup. Then put oil and resins in the body. Later wrapped the body with linen. Then they put amulets in the body. Later, to finish, put the mask and Lee's name in the sarcophagus.